Want to earn an extra $100 a day without a 9 to 5? In this video, I'll show you 5 side hustles that actually work in 2025. No experience required. Now let's get started. Side hustle number 1, freelance AI content creation. AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva make content creation easier than ever. People pay for blog posts, ad copy, or even social media designs. On platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, you can start today. Side hustle number 2, print on demand. Sell t-shirts, mugs, and hoodies without ever touching inventory. Websites like Printify and Redbubble handle the shipping for you. All you do is upload your designs. Side hustle number 3, remote tutoring. If you're good at math, English, or even coding, you can tutor online through websites like Preply or Wezand. Students worldwide are willing to pay $20 to $40 per hour. Side hustle number 4, social media management. Small businesses need help running Instagram and TikTok accounts. If you know how to post, schedule, and grow pages, you can charge monthly retainers of $300 to $1,000. Side hustle number 5, affiliate marketing. Promote products online using affiliate links. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Amazon Associates, Impact, and Share a Sale are great places to start. Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more money-making tips.